Hey everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're taking mobile security to the next level. We're diving deep into the world of penetration testing on the go by showing you exactly how to install Kali NetHunter Pro on any Snapdragon 845 supported phone with a focus on the OnePlus 6T. I'll be walking you through the entire installation process on my OnePlus 6T, but rest assured, the steps are nearly identical for other compatible devices utilizing the Snapdragon 845 chipset. Now, before we jump into the technical details, let's talk about why Kali NetHunter Pro is such a powerful tool. For those who are new to the scene, Kali NetHunter Pro is not your average mobile penetration testing suite. It's an advanced, fully-fledged distribution of Kali Linux meticulously crafted for ARM64 devices. These include powerhouses like the Pinephone Pro, and various Qualcomm mainline devices. The crucial distinction between NetHunter Pro and the standard NetHunter lies in its architecture. While the standard NetHunter operates as an overlay on top of Android, NetHunter Pro is a pure, standalone Kali Linux distribution. This fundamental difference unlocks a world of possibilities. Instead of being constrained by the limitations of Android, you gain access to the full and bridled power of a desktop-grade penetration testing environment right in the palm of your hand. This is a game-changer for security professionals and ethical hackers. It transforms your everyday smartphone into a highly portable and incredibly potent hacking machine. Imagine being able to perform comprehensive penetration tests, conduct in-depth security assessments, and execute a wide range of other cybersecurity tasks with the same level of control and functionality you'd expect from a full desktop Kali setup. No more compromises. Now, let's get down to the installation. You can find the official release of Kali NetHunter Pro images for supported devices on the official Kali Linux downloads page. I've included a direct link in the video description below for your convenience. It's crucial to download the correct image specifically designed for the Snapdragon 845 architecture. Before we proceed, a crucial reminder: this process will wipe your phone's data. Make absolutely sure you have backed up any important information before continuing. Also, you'll need to have ADB and fastboot tools installed on your computer. Here's the step-by-step installation process using the fastboot method for installing on the eMMC. Extract the archive, boot your phone into fastboot mode. Flash the roots, flash the boot image, erase DTBO. Once the flashing process is complete, you can reboot your device. The initial boot might take a bit longer than usual, so don't be alarmed, and there you have it. Kali NetHunter Pro is now successfully installed on your Snapdragon 845 device. You now have a powerful mobile penetration testing platform at your fingertips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting cybersecurity and hacking tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay secure.